that route.
Well, it's back and forth, right? So we're just having a conversation.
Job, no. We don't have to disclose our.
Well, why should I?
What our birthday, but you would have to.
Okay, why am I required to? Okay, well, we're having a conversation, right? What's the crime that I'm committing?
Imagine stopping for a quick bite, and suddenly 3 police cars pull up. That's exactly what happened here. A citizen was sitting in a public space when a stranger called the cops, raising concerns about the parked vehicle. Officers arrive asking for identification and personal details. What starts as a routine check quickly turns into a tense back and forth, with confusion over rights and what is required by law. Tensions rise, questions fly, and the situation becomes a test of authority versus personal freedom.
Good, yep.
That's some family that saw you parked here, I guess, last night.
Nope, no, I wasn't parked here last night.
Okay, well, they saw this vehicle, and so they called us to come check. Where are you trying to get to?
Where are you trying to get to?
Finding out who you are is all, make sure things are fine.
Yeah, things are okay. I have no complaints.
Mind if I check your ID and know who you are? And...
May I see your ID?
Yeah, you bet.
Oh, all right.
Deputy Nelson.
I can make a name tag too, I guess.
Yeah, do you have any ID I can double check?
May I see your ID?
You can just stay right there for now.
What? Am I being detained?
No, I'm just talking.
Okay.
To you.
Yeah, I just stopped over here to get some food, and I was going to go back to my computer in the library.
Okay.
So.
Okay. You have some ID I can double check, please?
May I see your ID?
Yeah, it's right here.
Okay, mine's my last name's Hines, son.
Hines.
Your name is Nelson.
Yep, Deputy Nelson.
All right.
So as far as ID.
All right. Well, I'm gonna go back to my computer. Am I being detained? I am being detained. What's the crime? What's the crime? Yeah.
Failure to disclose identity at this point.
Okay. Well, I just told you my last name.
Okay. What's your first name?
Okay. What's your first name?
Delta 93.
No, go ahead and tell you my first name.
-5.
So I'm being detained, right?
Right.
And the crime is what?
Yeah, but physical.
What's the crime?
In Utah,
I'm a little
it's
confused.
failure to disclose identity.
Okay.
So that's all it is.
Well, I asked you to identify who you are, and so you showed me your name, so I told you my name.
What's your birthday?
What's your birthday?
I don't need to tell you that.
Well, then,
for this job.
I'm asking. You're asking me.
Travis?
Yes, that's yep.
Okay. What's your birthday, Travis?
All right, what's your birthday?
Okay, we don't have to go that route.
Well, it's back and forth, right? So we're just having a conversation.
Job, no. We don't have to disclose our.
Well, why should I?
What our birthday, but you would have to.
Okay, why am I required to? Okay, well, we're having a conversation, right? What's the crime that I'm committing?
It's the right crime unless you don't want to
exactly.
Unless you don't want to give us your information.
All right, well, that's why I'm asking for your information, and I'm willing to trade information with that.
He gave you.
Yeah, I don't know your first name. It's B. What does B stand for?
ID is Delta.
I don't know what that means. What is B your first name?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, what's your first name? Brooks. Okay, all right.
It's your Travis.
Yes.
What's your birthday?
Okay. May I have your birthday?
And actually, no.
All right. Well, I'm willing to give mine, but you're not, so I don't understand what the deal is.
Travis, we're here because we're just trying to figure out. We're not saying you're in trouble. We're just.
Yeah, I know. There's no crime being committed, right? Or you're saying, okay, I'm being detained because there's a crime being committed.
Because you're not giving us your identity.
I'm willing to identify who I am.
Well, let's identify.
Well, we're having a conversation, right? We are. What? What do you mean? What's after the fact of what?
Of you giving
what information? What am I required to?
Birthday or picture ID, any kind of identification.
Okay.
It is part of the Utah law.
For identifying myself, which I did do. I told you my name's Travis.
That includes part of it.
And you got my last name right. Okay.
How do you spell?
Oh, sure. It's H-E-I-N-Z-E.
H-E-I-N-Z.
Yeah.
With an E on the end?
Yep. And you're what? N-I-E-L-E-S-E-N.
What's your date of birth?
Okay, may I have yours in return?
Actually, no.
Okay, well, we're identifying each other, right?
But,
I need to know who you are.
Our birthday, yeah, it's totally different.
It's totally different? Okay, you don't have to identify who you are, yet I have to give you all, what else do you need to know? You need a urine sample too? What all are we trying to get at? What are we trying to, what am I trying to overcome for this law that I'm breaking?
Disclosure identity.
Okay, may I have yours as well?
I told you what his name.
I said my name too. What is that gonna?
How about your picture ID? I showed you mine, so you can show me yours.
Oh, I didn't quite see it. Let me take another look.
Pull yours out.
Well,
Let me
okay,
take a look.
sure, yeah, it's in this bag here. I
As long as
pull
you
it
don't
out.
have
May
any
I see
weapons,
you?
you're gonna pull a weapon on us, you're gonna get
No,
one
go ahead,
pulled
go
on
ahead.
you.
You want to
Understand?
reach it? You want to?
Okay, if you're gonna pull a weapon out of there.
No, it's just my ID's in my bag.
Okay.
You can reach in there if you want.
If
you want to feel it? You want to feel it? Yeah, go ahead.
Where's it at in there?
Well, it's in that pocket that's open now. So.
In this pocket here?
No, it's in the smaller pocket. Yeah.
Right up here?
Yeah. So, yep, that's it. That's right. It's that. You had it. It's a smaller. Yeah.
It's inside there.
Yep. Well, no. May I see your ID in exchange? That's how it works, right? May I? I'll show you mine. You show me yours. Right. Oh, may I have what's your first name?
Let's see your
D-A-T-T.
Let's pull that out for now.
What?
And we'll go that route. As long as you don't have any warrants, you're on your way. Is that what you're worried about?
No, I have nothing to hide. I'm just asking for you not to. You also disclose who you are too. We have Bart Chi. Okay. All right. I mean, you're asking me for my. Yeah. All right. All right. What's your first name again? I think you told me, but D-Bat. Oh, you don't have to tell me your first name. Is that okay? All right. Yeah, I have nothing to hide, but you guys seem to have. You guys seem to have something to hide, so you might have something that you're worried about. I just don't understand. If it's a demand of me to identify myself, I also ask in return
We're here for
identification as well. Yeah, and it gives them permission. No, it gives you guys permission to harass me, pretty much. Somebody calls you, and that gives you permission to say this guy is a bad guy, and start harassing, and pull your gun out on me. It gives you permission to do that stuff. And it's amazing. It's strange. People probably don't even know who this caller is. It's just a stranger who calls, and all of a sudden I can become a bad guy and get a gun pulled out on me.
No one said you were.
Well, I got a gun pulled on me, so I mean, there's an inclination of that. Yep. Yeah, and I'm just asking for identification in return once again, as repeat ourselves. But yeah, I'll tell you, I'm at the library, and I have my computer over there. I just come over to eat. It's great timing. I was sitting in here for maybe 10 minutes, and I get three cop cars. I mean, I wasn't parked here for 10 minutes, but I was just sitting in here eating for 10 minutes, and I get 3 cop cars. And I thought this was a public area. I mean, I thought it was okay to park here,
appreciate
right?
It. You can have that back.
All right,
as far as the concern of the citizen that called us,
okay.
That's what we wanted to check on. And
am I being detained?
Right now, you're good to go.
Okay.
Unless you have any questions for us.
After several minutes of questioning and back and forth about IDS and personal details, the officers finally clarify the situation. The citizen is allowed to leave once everything is verified. The call that triggered this encounter comes from a stranger, expressing concern rather than reporting a threat. In the end, a simple misunderstanding escalates into a tense interaction, showing how easily routine situations can become challenging when communication and expectations clash. Here is another case. This video shows a tense confrontation outside a Family Dollar store, where the property manager demands that a man and his companion leave the premises. The man insists he has a right to be there, asking questions about the trespass warning and how his name is recorded. Despite repeated requests, he remains on the property, questioning authority and standing firm on his rights.
I'm not taking blame. It does. Now, once you're off my property, there's a sign saying, do not trespass. No trespassing, no trespassing. Off my property.
That's bullcrap.
This is my property, or anybody else's.
Wow, I'm not gonna.
You need to get off.
Jody, what is your name?
Hold on, he's not doing this. No, I'm not. He ain't. I know he ain't.
No, I'm going to turn this in.
And I'm acting
As soon as you leave, I'm turning it in.
You can turn it
way above these cops and these people in this town. So I need you to get off my property.
Okay, so I'm going to write refuse.
You write whatever.
Okay.
You write whatever, because you're not doing your job. You're getting it out there.
Like I said, or like I was going to say a moment ago before I started talking.
Well, I have a right to talk.
This is our property. It's not yours.
That's for you.
No, not me.
Okay.
You can serve.
Don't go onto the property at 221 South Main Street. Because if they call the police on you, there's a possibility you could be arrested. Okay. Yeah.
Now you can go. You're doing the job. Now get off. I've asked you several times and you're not getting off.
I wrote you and Tammy both, so that applies to me.
Did you write my name right? Did you write my name right?
Tammy, I'm going.
How's it spelled?
Hey,
I want to know how my name is spelled.
We're not going to do that.
Yeah, I am, because I have my name is different from everybody else's.
Because
We're not playing games.
We're not playing games. I'm not playing games. I want to know how my name is spelled.
The people, the manager
Wow.
of the Family Dollar Store, which is
How is it spelled?
221 South Main.
Spell right.
Okay.
No, it ain't.
No? Then it's not for me.
T-A-M-E.
Unfortunately,
That is not
I'm
mine.
going to be put on.
So-
Okay.
My name is not that way.
Oh.
I want my name spelled right.
I-E.
That ain't hard. T-A-I.
Wow.
Wow.
Well, y'all understand. Y'all understand, of course, that a business
I don't
can
care what it is.
trespass anybody for any reason. I mean, that's just Oklahoma's law.
How do I know that?
Trespassing or
I keep up on my Constitution.
We went in there to buy some stuff. We did. That's what we did. And she sold. We paid for everything that we had. Now this is bull.
Well, what you probably need to do, if you disagree with
I do
this,
disagree with
is
them.
to get a hold of the district manager for the store, call them, hear your grievance.
Wow.
I mean, that's
I'll
what
do
you
that.
need to do.
I'll get a hold of them.
Okay, all right. Well, y'all have a good day.
You too.
Had to come by, the harass, yeah. Come on. Told him several times to get off and he wouldn't get off. Not his property to be on.
Okay, I've had enough.
By the end, the situation escalates as the man continues to refuse leaving, emphasizing his understanding of the law and constitutional rights. The officer confirms the warning has been issued, but the man expresses frustration with the process and signals he will escalate the issue to higher authorities. The encounter closes with tension still in the air, demonstrating the conflict between private property enforcement and individual rights. What do you think about this story? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.